into my life one day. Like a whisper, the winds chose to play. Your touch turned the world to a canvas so bright, with colors that danced in the hush of the night. Oh, love, you are the song I keep, a melody woven in dreams so deep. Through every moment, through every rhyme, you are the echo whispered in time. We trace the stars with fingers so free. In your arms I found eternity. The laughter we shared, the tears we knew, all painted the skies in a tender hue. Oh, love, you are the song I keep, a melody woven in dreams so deep. Through every moment, through every rhyme, you are the echo whispered in time. Each fleeting moment lingers in my chest, a heartbeat of memories that never rest. Your voice like a river flows through my veins. Forever your love is my sweetest praise. Oh, love, you are the song city wakes before the morning, silver streets and amber lights, people rushing through the echoes, chasing little pieces of life. I hear music through the station, see reflections in the rain, and somehow the world keeps turning beautiful in every way. Even broken clouds above me still let little colors through. Every moment keeps reminding there's 1,000 kinds of beautiful. It's a beautiful day, beautiful way. The sunlight falls across my face, and suddenly the world feels safe. Oh, it's a beautiful life, beautiful life. Every shadow fades to gold when your heart stays open wide. cafe walls, tiny stories passing by me like a movie made of stars. There are strangers smiling softly. There are songs inside the breeze, and the sky keeps getting brighter with every breath I breathe. Hold on to the small things, warm cups and spring winds. Sometimes heaven hides itself inside ordinary moments. It's a beautiful day, even after the rain. Somewhere